Nagpadala ng note verbal sa China ang Foreign Affairs Department laban sa pagpapakawala ng flares ng China fighter jet sa Bajo de Masinloc. Ang Armed Forces of the Philippines naman, bagamat hindi papatol, handa raw lumaban at gumanap sa kanilang tungkulin. Nakatutok si Chino Gaston.
Ang pagpapakawala ng flares ng China fighter jet sa harap ng patrol aircraft ng Philippine Air Force sa Bajo de Masinloc nitong August 8, formal nang iprinotesta ng Pilipinas.
The department also sent a note verbal. The essential points of all of these statements were the strong condemnation of the incident and the fact that yung Philippine Air Force jet plane posed no threat to the PLA Air Force.
Sabi pa ni Manalo, nasa loob ng exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas ang Bajo de Masinloc. Kaya kung tutuusin, ang China ang lumalabag sa ating airspace.
They're within our rights and they entered over our airspace. So they were undertaken over our airspace.
Sabi ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, pinapalala raw ng China ang tensyon. Bagamat hindi raw papatol ang Pilipinas sa mga ganitong pang-uudyok, handang lumaban at gampanan ng AFP ang tungkulin nito.
All these illegal, unsafe, unprofessional actions increase the risk for any untoward incident. We have our partners and ally. We are showing the world through the Transparency Initiative all the actions that the PLA is doing, if only to increase the deterrence. We don't want to get to a situation that there would be a downward spiral of escalation. Those flares simply flared up the sense of patriotism in every member of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. We will not be deterred.
Hinala ng AFP galing ang fighter jets ng China mula sa isang military base at hindi sa isang aircraft carrier sa West Philippine Sea. Hindi rin daw alam ng AFP kung ilan talaga ang mga Chinese aircraft na lumilipad ngayon sa West Philippine Sea.
Our aircrafts cannot float in the air for a period of time. They have to land. So monitoring them cannot be ascertained to a particular date or period. Siguro pag may lumipad, then we can be informed for our monitoring.
Ayon sa AFP, kailangan na ang dagdag na air assets ng Philippine Air Force sa harap ng mga tumitinding paggigipit ng China, hindi lamang sa karagatan, kundi maging sa himpapawid. Nitong Hulyo, inaprubahan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang pagbili ng 14 na bagong multi-role fighter jets. Ayon sa source ng GMA News, may napili na sanang supplier pero nagkaroon ng problema sa supply ng aircraft. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Chino Gaston, nakatutok, 24 oras.